Good morning, nationwide and worldwide. Happy day, happy Sunday. It's December 1. God bless us always, everything, mga blessings. Now it's already, what time is it na? It's 4, it's almost 4:20 a.m. But that's why we wake up already. I finished na in the bathroom to brush my teeth and it's cold. It's a little bit cold. It's not little bit cold. It's cold na. Kumbaga, it's a normal cold na. Okay. So, I get na my stuff. I stop here for my sleep. It's like ready na to go to the kitchen. Oh. May kumot until now. Obviously, may kumot until now. It's long time ago na. I was only that one. Sometimes, every month, I was. Every month, I was this one. May kumot, my bedsheet, okay? So, I keep first. Okay. Because Celine, she didn't sleep in her room. She slept with her mother and father. So that's why I live with you. Happy December na, December 1, it's almost Christmas. You have already planned for this. Everybody sleep. Everybody wake up. Nationwide, worldwide, sa ibang countries now. I don't know, same as usual, I don't know. Maybe you are still sleepy, you are working in the Philippines. I'm sure in the Philippines, they are working already. Some of them is maybe, ano ba yung tawag? Nagsisimba, to go church. I don't know, in the Asian countries now is morning, there is morning already. Maybe some of them is like overwork, nag-part-time, okay, may tawag yung overtime sa mga work nila. As ito mag-start na ang gulong ano. And I don't know, maybe it's almost vacation na rin with Celine. Finish na ako nagsisit up kasi pagising ko, before I go to the bathroom, I make it sit up already in the bed, under the bed. Kaya ganun. Okay, ayan. Ito na, na-pull ko na. Iligpit ko na yan. Kasi nga malamig na kasi yung lamig nandito na sa loob ng bahay ng room, kaya malamig dito. Naramdaman na yung lamig. Not like yung mga previous mga months, last month. It's not too much hot. Cold. It's too much hot. Ay, nako. Sometimes I got mistakes. Minsan ka bang mali-mali na. Okay? Ulit ko na, skip. Ayan yung gamit ni Celine. Hinahanda ko na yung uniform. Okay, ayan na yung uniform niya. Hinahanda. Ayan yung ano niya, mga sando. Kulon. Handa na yan. Nahanda ko na yan. Ayan. Tapos ayan yung ano niya sa buhok. Ayan o. Nahanda ko na yan. Handa na yung mga ano niya. Ayan yung uniform. Okay. Nahanda ko na yan o. Uniform niya. Nahanda ko na yan. At saka binubuksan ko na to. Good morning, Lord. Thank you very much for another life. Outside. Look out, sinandun yung stars. Sa balkon, malamig na kasi. Yung tingnan mo yung attire ko. Good morning. Okay. Ayan na. Ibig mo na kasi alas ko muna yan. Ganito lang yung ginagawa ko. Pag nandito lang, pag wala yung alaga ko, pagsisisi nandoon sa kabilang kwarto, matutulog. Kaya kung mag-ingay ako, wala kasi natutulog. Tulog pa doon. Dito, mag-iisa lang ako sa kwarto niya. Kaya ganun. Okay. So, ready ko yung boots kasi nga malamig ngayon. Tapos idoblehan ko siya ng socks. At saka meron naman siyang kulon. Kung sa atin pa ano ba yan? Ang tawag yun? Ewan ko, nakalimutan ko na. Hirap talaga yung memory natin. Mahina na. Hindi na masyadong malakas yung memory natin. At saka pag natulog ako, may sounds ako na Christian songs. Kaya ganun. I-enough ko. Kasi baka mamaya maririnig sa video ko. Copyright na naman. Okay. So, habang pupunta ako ng kitchen para magre-ready na doon, i-off ko na yung light dito kasi wala namang tao pa. Mamaya pa ako pagkatapos ng kitchen, saka pa ako pupunta sa bahay na maliit. Okay? Kasi sisisi mga 6:30. Almost before 6:30 pa yata yun. Siguro kusa siyang gigising or mami niya ang gigising o daddy niya kasi nga nandoon sa kwarto niya. Sa kwarto nilang amo ko. Pag nandito siya, if she is here in our room, I wake up her before mga 6:15 a.m. Okay? But if she is sleeping in the another room, I let them to wake up. She wake up alone or his mother and father let them to wake up. Okay? So now, I go to the kitchen and I off light because nobody here. Sayang naman the electricity. But I must budget also the electricity. Sabay pang ganun na. Okay. Thank you again. Thank you for watching. And thank you to subscribe my old videos, my simple videos in YouTube channel. Shout out to all nationwide, worldwide, and to all watching of mine, my simple videos, and those who subscribe of mine. I wish that you support my small YouTube channel and patience and kindness and happiness. Thank you again. God bless us all. Happy December 1, Happy Sunday, and bye!